Magic Star Rhymes. Onanta sits at the table so neat, ready, ready for something to eat. Plate full of snacks, what a sight! Yummy, yummy, pure delight.
Crunch, crunch goes the chip so thin.
Listen, listen, she grins with a grin.
Munch, munch, apple so red.
Snack time music, Onanta said. Carrots go crack, crack, crack. Cookie sings snap, snap, snack. Bread goes chew, chew, chew. Can you hear the rhythm too? Juice goes slurp, slurp, slurp. Milk goes glug with a funny burp. Water says sip, sip, sip. Drip, drop from her tiny cup's lip. Onanta claps, let's make a band. Snack time music is oh so grand. Tap your plate and stomp your feet. Move your body to the eating beat. Crunch and munch, chew and chew. Every snack makes sounds for you. Laugh and sing, don't be shy. Snack time songs will fill the sky. When she's done, she wipes her face, leaves a smile in every place. Onanta says, hip, hip, hooray! Snack sounds made my happy day. Juice goes slurp, slurp, slurp. Milk goes glug with a funny burp. Water says sip, sip, sip. Drip, drop from her tiny cup's lip. Drop from her tiny cup's lip. Drop from her tiny cup's lip. Like, subscribe, and share. Join the fun. Magic Star Rhymes.